Far where I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays, I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days, I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around and keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping. Stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never changed. I'm packing, I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then there's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself. Practice what you preach.
Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Yo.
Yo.
What's going on, man?
Not much, just got a lot done for market to open.
But you said you got a lot of you got a lot done?
Yeah, I went to the gym, showered, meal prep enough for the rest of the week.
Nice, nice.
I was on a 5-minute. I'm looking at it now. My entry was exactly at 7 a.m.
Are you in a trade right now?
I'm not. I remember the app that I told you I was gonna get cold turkey?
Yes.
Yeah, so I got it to help me with staying away from the chart because sometimes I be fiending and I randomly try to scalp during Asia or in the gym or when I'm waking up. So I just have it lock all of my trade related stuff and I don't have access to anything until a certain time.
Okay. That's what's up.
So
So what did you scalp?
I didn't scalp anything. I'm saying everything was locked. But now that I'm looking at the time, my setup was at 7 a.m.
At 7. I did see on demo, I did go short. I think I still might be short on the demo account. I did the short at 720. That was my setup. I seen it from an area of interest, and then I just held it, but I would have probably took profit at 740, just that rundown. I see we gotta eventually come down, I think. I know you're targeting 329. On a 15-minute, it looked like a bullish trend line to me. So I want to see that get broken eventually. Just don't know if we're going to go straight down like we did yesterday or run up first. That 7 a.m. was a 1 hour fair value gap. So it doesn't necessarily have to run up higher again. I don't know. We can get divergence or whatnot. So we'll see in 2 minutes. There's also the regular trading hours. And then I also marked up PM session. I wanted to trade back higher, but I wanted that only to be if we went down first and then I bought. But since we're here, I would look for continued shorts too.
Okay. If I were to be shorting, I wouldn't want price to take PM session highs. Just because ES already took it. So if NQ takes PM session high now, then that'd be for continuation.
ES has some equal highs. You said ES took PM session highs?
It traded above it
in
after
London.
flipping.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, I see that. I see that. Okay, I never
Yeah,
looked into it that way.
that's how I've always explained it. I'm banking for ES to sweep the equal highs.
And then what, divergence maybe?
It might just continue higher, just because on a 15-minute structure has definitely broken, but on the 1 hour, the 7 a.m. high is a intermediate swing high. So I would hope that doesn't get broken, or if it does, it doesn't close above it.
Yeah.
So that's why I said the new week opening gap, which is around the middle of the PM range. It might just go up there. But if PM session is broken, I am for sure ignoring sales for now. Just for the morning session, because I do have a strong sell bias for the rest of the week to close.
You wouldn't consider the 845 swing as a short term high?
It
ES
is a
took the
short term.
equal highs. Okay. ES took the equal highs, so we could just get
Yep, that's
more shorts from here.
Mm-hmm. And if you look on the 5 minute, taking out the equal highs,
Mhm.
as well as if you look at the 7:15 p.m. from yesterday's CB, that's why I would have shorted from at 7 a.m. Notice NQ did it first, ES left it behind, it engineered that liquidity, and it just waited. And so price just dropped. So now I am banking on the S&T that just happened to hold
Yeah.
to trade down.
Might not make it as easy as it did yesterday. Yesterday, that thing just kept going straight down for the most part.
That wasn't easy because it
It
didn't really
wasn't?
give you an opportunity to. Well, it only made it easy because that same fair value gap that just ES just retested, that's the same move NQ did yesterday. Literally, exact same move. The
Well,
reason I said
yesterday it went into a 5-minute fair value gap and then held it. It didn't break any highs yesterday. It just went into the gap and came back down.
what did ES just do?
ES? ES or NQ?
ES, what did ES just did this morning?
ES took the equal highs.
Remove the equal highs. You have two sets of liquidity. You have swings and you have inefficiency. What I'm saying is yesterday, I highlighted in Q the specific area, the specific price. It took that and turned around. I just highlighted the same thing for ES. It did the same thing. Different days, different pairs, but same setup.
Gotcha.
So the yesterday, the overnight, the sell from overnight PM as well as Asia is still in play. So this morning is just a continuation of that, which is why there's no external liquidity, it's internal, which means an inefficiency.
I'm curious to see if. I'm sorry?
I'm gonna enter on the fair value gap.
Okay.
If ES reaches it first, I'm just gonna enter. But if NQ does, then that's great.
Order filled.
All right, ES just reached one. Hoping it leaves the other one as a breakaway.
I'm in 2, but I'm gonna give it a short leash. I don't want it to play around. I want it to just keep going. See what it's doing right now, that hesitation move. I don't like that at all.
That's fine.
Which language? I want to at least get down to midnight.
Gonna add more candle paper right
Order
here.
filled.
Yeah, I don't want to make it easy at all. Yeah, I don't like that.
Order filled.
Bit more.
Let me see. I feel like it should just go straight drop. See, DXY is going down. Just making this come up. I think I'm gonna be more patient and wait because probably because I don't have the best entry and I don't want it to come all the way back up. I'm just not comfortable with it. But it does look like it wants to continue. So
Then get out of it.
I'm waiting to see how high it goes before. What time is it? 9:38. Still early. Yeah, I'm out of it.
Okay.
But that's only because I didn't have the best entry there. Yes, looks good. Look like it wants to keep going down. And I know we're looking at 329, right?
329 and then 242.
Yeah, I got 220 as an area of interest, but I'm like, at least break below midnight, bro. You go. There we go.
Order filled.
I just took partial here.
That's a great partial. All right. It might be enough for me for the day, man.
You just got in again?
Yep, I got right back in, got right back out at midnight. I have moved it to break entry too. But let me see something here. I'm recording, is not live.
Okay.
You want me
Um,
to you want me to
no, 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 no.
I
I
can mute
want you
you.
to, when you're done today,
Uh-huh.
I want you to go back from literally the beginning of the conversation
Mm-hmm.
until until just now to actually like listen to yourself as to I guess the reasonings behind why you got in, why you got out. It just sounded like a lot of uncertainty, if that makes sense. Um, and if you didn't see your setup, it's kind of like, why did you trade it?
Nah, you're right.
But I
You're right.
mean, hey, profit is profit. That's great. But after listening to that thing you sent me this morning, that thing got me fired up.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You know what it is? So the market open gap, well, more so because of the SMT that you pointed out. Once I saw the equal highs and ES took the once ES took those equal highs, the open gap is my setup. Um, and initially when I first got in, I should have just left that and then take partials and just let the rest ride, right? That's
Mhm.
honestly what I should have done. So I wish I did that. And then it would have been less, me getting in and out kind of thing. Um, but when I got in the second time, the second and third time was, to be honest with you, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna look back and be like, man, I should have just sized down and call it a day. Um, by the way, it traded into the first gap after market open too, just now, or the first fair value groups. Um, it went up, And then when I got in the second time, I didn't like my entry. Um, and I guess you can say what I more so didn't like was my stop loss. And so what I should have done is just size
Target
down
filled.
and then go from there.
Well, my objective has been met for the day. I'm done.
Yeah.
Uh,
Am I done?
I mean, that's up to you and your God, my man. I hope you're done.
See here. I don't know if I'm done yet, only because it's early. I want to see how fast we get to 23 to 20. And then shoot. If I see a setup, I might buy from there.
What's at 23, 320, 220?
It's an area of interest where I can see potential reversal.
Okay. I
And
just hate the
honestly,
fact.
that's what I should have shorted to. I should have held the shorts to that 23 to 20, and then be done. You know.
I just hate the fact that my objective for the entire week is about to be met.
Why
So
you hate
that
that?
sucks. I'm trying this whole discipline thing where it's like, especially from ICT videos, it's kind of like map out your week. And although your setup may be there, but the only way to build consistency is just do what you mapped out. And this thing is about to reach it literally in the first 15 minutes.
So what's wrong with reaching your target early?
No, not my target. Price reaching my weekly analysis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a difference.
Oh, because you don't know what's gonna happen next.
I mean, I'll figure out what's gonna happen next. We do that on a
Okay.
day to day, but it's
Okay.
kind of like where I'm coming from is I saw this happening early on in the week and I mapped it out, is what I'm trying to say. So I kind of wanted to eat from it little by little each day and hopefully reach there by Thursday or Friday. So now that it's gonna reach it, I have
Mhm.
to go back and basically restructure the entire thing. I gotta go. I'm getting a phone call, bro.
All right, man.
Yeah. Good morning. This is Pierre.
The 947.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Not much, man. I caught
Think
a
I
piece of them shorts, man. But I should have held it.
Mhm. Let me see if these QQQ calls holds.
Uh, oh, you in longs right now?
Yeah, I have small long, but it's paper, but I'm only long because of time, 947, and we also took a 945 candle high. I want to see that candle high hold.
Uh, I have us drop into 23, 22, 23. It might be a pullback though. Let me see. There was liquidity at
Come on, fill my options,
329.
man. These motherfuckers. I was trying to buy the 569 puts at 38, but just at 38. Just got filled. IWM is up 145%. Fucking dumb.
I want to see what happens right here. It might pop right here. Gave back some of my profits. I guess the next is 22.9. Let's see. Man, I could have held on to them originals. But still profitable day, can't be mad. Yeah, I felt that, man. I did try to buy there, but I took a small L, just gave some of it back. That's it. What are you targeting? The It did 167. 160, 167 like 50. If it close enough. Mhm. 950. 950 macro. 950. Make a new low. I need a fair value gap to buy here. I don't think we get down that low. I'm ready for a reversal. But you know what though? Wait for a setup. %. You respected 50% of that wick. I'm just curious to see what happens. I'm in longs at the bottom, but my stop loss at break entry because I put it in profit because if it comes back, I'm probably just gonna chill out until PM session or whatnot. Yeah, yeah, covered it. Because I think honestly, it's probably gonna get ready to go into choppy out. To be honest with you, so it's probably gonna get ready to get choppy. Um, until yeah. Yeah. So I was looking at the tail of that candle that you talked about. And so I drew the fibs on the tail of that candle, and the 959 candle went exactly 50% of it. So it looked like it was respecting it to go up, but went into a 5-minute fair value gap. I said, man, I don't want it to come back down, but I'm not gonna keep trying to buy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You kept doing what? You adding another call? Ugh. Who birthday? I know Limitless was a Virgo. It makes sense. You make too much money, man. Oh yeah, it is. Village people? That thing probably gonna keep dropping to like 22,914. Going back to the old all-time highs. That thing looks relentless. Look at all the bearish fair value gaps. It barely retested any of them. It just kept going down. Tensions. And 12. That thing. That thing going to. That thing look like it's going to 9. That thing look like it's going to 910. Uh, 910, 912 probably. I mean, there's liquidity at 2305 that could provide a bounce, but that thing is just relentless. If it goes down lower than 23045, then it's just gonna keep going. But that's the next liquidity that I have. That's a swing low. But it just gonna have to be patient for a setup for a bounce. Can't. I don't know. Because everybody's trying to buy this dip, you know? Everybody's trying to buy this dip, so it's trying to wear you out. You're in longs too? Are you in calls or futures? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. She's on mute. If you're gonna buy, you gotta buy and then move your stop loss to entry like ASAP. Yeah. Rebecca left. She probably gonna wish she held on to them calls. I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. It's what time is it? 10:19. Nah. Nah, bro. Uh, you took 3 MNQ, 5 MNQs. You trade like me, man. Yeah. Gotcha. Oh, listen, if price get above like 190, you might be good. And hopefully that's low of the day. Yeah, I'm looking at that. And that's what makes me feel like it's still very bearish. So I need to see that bearish. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, so so this is what I do. If I'm waiting for a bullish and I want to be conservative, I'm waiting for that 1004 candle to fail. And then once you bring the 203, I mean the 1003, if it breaks it, it'll trade back down into it and then go back up. And so if you don't get in, listen, if I miss the reversal, I wait for the second leg, man. Sometimes you gotta wait for the second leg. The second leg is supposed to be the most energetic. That's where that's the safe route. But see, hmm I mean, and that's fine because I'm like that too. But once I take a L, listen, if I try to catch a reversal and I take an L, I'm not trying to catch another reversal. I, no, I'm not trying to get. I stopped trying to get a reversal, and then I just wait for confirmation, and then I wait for the second leg. So if I try it once or twice, like if I'm trying to go long, right, and I try to go long once or twice, and it don't work, at that point I'm waiting because otherwise you're gonna keep trying to buy. Man, you waiting for the seven times, man, the perfect number. You got to protect the capital, man. The trend is your friend, right? Yeah. I'm gonna post a video I watched this morning, man. Very powerful. You said all time high from here today? Oh, I thought you said all time high today. Like, that's a lot. see what see the my issue is why I feel like the shorts are not over. I also look at DXY US dollar. That thing is pumping, man. That thing is pumping. Yeah, man. That's why I didn't trust it, man. I mean, yeah. I mean, listen, if it's yeah. Look, the 1004 and 1005 are both bearish candles, right? It doesn't even get to the 1004 fair value gap. That it just shows you that it's it's not ready. And if you look at all the candles that it has left behind, 10 944, 945, 949, 950. It's just too many that's open. So you gotta wait for a sure reversal, you know? Um, let's see. One more drop, 1030. Yeah, bro. The trend is your friend. They say until it ends. 045. Oh my God. Just sell every up candle. Close your eyes and sell. Are you talking about options call? See, the thing about calls is that it's not that it's not gonna work, but you guys have it's that time decay that sucks, right? So like it can go down and not go up until the end of the day. And if you're holding, you can still lose money. Mm-hmm. You went away, Limitless. You broke up, Limitless. It's 10:30. We back? Oh, you got divergence right now. ES made a new low where NQ did not. That could be a sign that it goes up. Yeah, ES took the 1017. So now with that divergence, if I get a fair value gap, then I'll buy. Then I'll buy. So let's see what happens. Oh. Is the meeting minutes today at 2 o'clock? It's not interest rates though, so that it's not too big of an issue, but it could be still be very choppy. I might just call it a day, man. Yesterday I called it a day early, cooked for the wife. She loved that. I just grilled some chicken. You said don't cook for them? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm trying to be a four. I'm trying to be a full-time trader and a house husband. Oh, that'd be nice. He said get Oh me no, I said that. I'm trying to be a full-time trader. I'm trying to be a full-time trader and a house husband. You want me to get a second wife to cook for the first wife? Oh man, I don't have enough money for two wives, man. Yeah, yeah. That's funny. Pick the one you want me to be. Yeah, that's funny, man. You're gonna get a different wife on a daily basis sometimes. Eh, Hey, see, that's why I can't do two wives. If one wife got multiple personalities, imagine how many personalities you gotta cater to with two wives. I can't do it. I can't do it, man. Unless they're gonna take care, unless they're gonna take care of each other. You know, you gotta be a king. You gotta be, you, you, you gotta be a king. Listen, you gotta be a king first. Listen, Limitless said that applies to king. You gotta be a king. Well, here's the problem, right? If you have multiple wives, those billionaires who have multiple wives, they're not dealing with the emotional side of those wives though. They're not putting up with that. So, yeah. 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 You, listen, man. Limitless, you got multiple wives? Not yet. All right. And she has to pick them, right, or approve of them. The next time Limitless say he in a hospital, man, you know why? Listen, man. 045. I'm telling you, 045. Remember, the market got deeper pockets than what we got, man. It'll wear you out. New lows. You still holding to those puts? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, let me warn you guys now. We got 2 days in a row of big range down days, right? fully, if you made a lot of money this week, call it a week, bro. Call it a week. Because you have to expect choppiness. Real well, no, not that. You just have to expect choppiness. Oh, you talking about drops right now? Yeah, it might drop right now. I wouldn't buy this. You said you buying this? Yo, man. Wait, I thought you got out, Rebecca. Li- listen to that YouTube video that I just posted. I listened to that this morning. Oh my gosh. Highly recommend it, man. There's a quote in there that says, go uh, I posted, yeah. There's a quote in there that says, man, it's not the quote says it's not that you're not bad at trading, you're just very, very good at hurting yourself without realizing it. You know? Um 22,000? 22,000? Oh, the 1800? Oh. Oh, okay, I see it. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Robin Hood. Wait, when does it expire? When does it expire though, Limitless? Limitless, if it expires next week, I'm with you. But if it expires today, oh no. Close it, man. Uh, there we go. 045. So now it's you might get a pop here, I feel like, but I'm still even if it does pop, it doesn't mean that it'll be long-term bullish. But just take out a swing low just now that it tapped into. But if it creates a gap below this, then it's going to 911. It's going to 911. But I could see a potential pop here It just took out the low of Tuesday's low of August the 5th. All right, just a pop.
Maybe add one more here, Becca. And that's the last one. If you lose this, we're done for the day.
If we
We're gonna come
lose
back
this,
on.
I'm definitely gonna be done for the day. I'm not gonna have shit else.
Why not just wait for a reversal?
If you wait for reversal too much, your options are gonna be too expensive for you to buy. So you wanna buy it when it's cheap, and you keep a risk that you could afford to lose, right?
Me
Until we
being
get
cheap, trying to get it at
the second
13, I
round.
should just get it at 17, huh?
Yeah.
You heard
That's
me?
like almost 50%.
For the TD?
Oh, for the TTD, you said what? You wanted
Me
buy it
trying
at
to be
13?
cheap. Yep, but it's the ask is for 17.
13, eh?
Just go for it.
Look at this.
Okay, I put in
It's
a
about to make a
thing.
new low. Oh,
Yeah, those are the quarterly theories, man.
I mean, I'm barely making like 50, 60 bucks a trade.
wait,
And that's
what
fucking
are
crazy.
you doing though?
I'm doing a lot. I think lately my personality, I'm doing a lot.
This fucking guy, man. Oh, Iman, why are you
He
like this,
says
bro?
I'm doing a lot, but not enough. I know that's fucking right.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
So
So
do you have
It's a sign. So you would hold for the rest of the day then, right? Since it's OTE, like you're not gonna close it. If it go, this is my thing. If y'all trade options, right? At this point, if you buy, you're hoping that you get a reversal sometime later on in the day, right? So you would hold it for the rest of the day, is what I would imagine. Well, even if it goes down to where it's almost worthless on a day like this, and then you got meeting minutes, I assume what you're trying to do is wait, hold it for reversal, and then hopefully at 2 p.m. it goes up. Because there's no point of closing it when you're down very low, right? Okay. So I get. There's just no. There's just no signs to go long right now. Um, Stop it. Yeah, man. Listen, you just gotta take the board, man. Don't be like a Rose, though. Listen, the only people who should be buying the dip are investors. We're not investors. We're we're day traders. No. Doesn't, at least we have fun. We are 386 points from the open. Man, I mean, there's always potential, but no, I don't trust anything. Wait, let me see something. Let me look at. I'm looking at. So there's a volume imbalance. Mauricio left. Yeah. This might be it. This might be it. Don't put no more money in. It's all mental. It's all mental. This the bounce right here. Oh, y'all see the bounce? Y'all see the bounce?
Bet the same, because at the end of the day, it's a bet, right? You bet the same, one 150, 150. So that $1,000, you have like 6-7 chances of blowing it, right? And then if one or two of them works, you make more than you're losing. And then eventually you can make like maybe $500 a week, and then you put that aside. If you make 500 2 weeks in a row, then you can blow that that 1,000 next week, and then you have money to re-up, and that's how you stay in the game. Whether it's 3,000, whether it's 5,000, the game is the same. It's whatever is above, you take out, and then you put it aside on days where things don't work out.
Well,
That was a cute prop so far.
Yeah.
That's 11.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't last too long.
No, this might be.
I think
it,
we gotta
though.
get C Rose to see the longs.
I think that's it. I see longs.
All right, so let's work now.
I see longs.
You holding us back, man.
I see longs, man.
I think I see it. Yeah, I'm in 46.50. Stop at 26.50.
What I'm watching is the.
I had my stop at 30, as I said earlier. It's 30 my stop, because if they don't give me what I want, that means this thing is going for 22,997. There's a 12 o'clock price there. It's not gonna hold anything until we reach that. If this is not the low of the session, then I don't fucking know.
What I'm looking at is the 949 and 950. 1049 and 1050 candle. There's some volume imbalances there that, volume imbalance is not as strong as for value gaps, but you treat it the same basically, so
On what time
hopefully
frame? 1 minute?
1 minute. 1 minute. You gotta go low though, like you can't go in heavy, you know what I mean? Because it can come back down, but basically I don't want it to take out that 11 o'clock candle. I want the 11 o'clock candle to hold. If not, then I won't trust longs anymore. But that's what I'm looking at.
So 11 o'clock open.
11 o'clock
Maybe 100
open.
ticks in,
Oh, your
baby.
strategy, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, I want the 11 o'clock candle to hold and kind of go from there. So let's see. But yeah, and then that would be my last shot at buys too, by the way. Like,
Yeah, I think so too.
Right.
And based on time,
yeah,
after
it's
this
already
is just
11
wait for the
o'clock.
afternoon. If none of this stuff works this afternoon.
Exactly. I want like a huge
At this
pop.
point, if I have some sense, to be honest, right? This is 11. Let's call it 11:05.
Yeah.
There's no reason why price should go.
Listen, it could come back down. You know what I mean? But
Under
I'm
57.
yeah.
gonna take a quick partial at 30 points.
I want to go above. I want to go to 109. Is where I want price to go to. And if we don't go there now, like that's tough. But there's some equal highs at 109. You could probably move your stop loss to break even once it goes to 89, above that swing high at 89, the 1045 candle. But yeah, for a quick scalp, I'm not saying it's reversing for the day, but
Yeah. That's why. Yeah, you gotta
you know
like
what I mean?
take it. Take some.
Yeah. So 109 looks like easy pickings. So if you think it's gonna go longer, take partials there. But 109, I'm done for the day, to be honest with you, on longs. And then I'm gonna just watch it and see what happens. So as soon as it get above 90, I'm gonna move my stop loss to
Yeah.
break even.
But like if price gets to like 1025, like 1025 price, right? That's my problem.
1045 price.
No,
Let me see,
at 1045 we're almost there. But if we get on that swing, 1025 swing, 1023 to 1025, yeah,
1025 price. That's a good day, bro.
Yeah, if we
you
get
caught
there,
the bottom,
right?
Yeah.
If we get there, yeah, I'm in at 46, so it's like close to the bottom. If we get there, once we get there, you can't tell me that we're not going back to the open. That's the thing. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know about that. That's a lot.
I have this euphoria Greg guy. Like
move your stop loss to
takes-
break even.
Yeah,
Listen
once
up,
it takes,
guys. In the long, take partial if you have MNQs. Take partial
Yeah.
here because we just did the NDA.
yeah,
Take
We just did
partials
it.
where?
No, I'm not talking to
On
you.
MNQ?
Oh, okay.
Because
We
if
just
we
did it
hold
NDA.
here,
Yeah, bro. These are the longs, bro. What a fucking day. Finally see some longs. Bro, we're going to 109 easy. Easy. Let's go, man. I hope you get it. Yvonne, we back, baby. There we go. Take partials, take partials, take partials. Take partials and let the rest ride, man. Yeah, take some partials and let the rest ride. You eating now, Becca? You eating now? Let's see here. So this candle, it might create a down move that 10 1028 candle, but if you ideally you would want it to just blast up past it, right? Yeah, get one of those FU candles. Exactly. Because yeah, because yeah, this hesitation that you see right now, there's more people trying to sell right here. And so that's why that's why you want one of those FU candles. Where's Amir? I wish Amir was here. This is how I would see this as an inversion. Oh, you here? Okay. If this bearish candle becomes bullish, that 1028 candle, that could be seen as an inversion.
You always make it, baby. Let's fucking go.
Went really quick or not. Let's go, baby. If we cross this 126, it's over, man. The next drop only gonna be fake. Let me see if the average on MNQs here.
All right.
I'm holding the last MNQ to close.
3 seconds.
Don't do that. Not to close. I would hold it to the longs. If you took partials already, you just have rest running. This is what I would do.
I'm taking the last one here, 146.50.
If you look at the range from 7 o'clock to now the bottom, the goal should be one or two things. Either 50% of the range, which would be 243, right? Or hold it, well, if you have one last running, then you can just let it run. But that should be your next target of partial if you have more than one contract. But if you only have one contract, then you can just kind of hold it, whatever, see what happens. But because then at 2 o'clock, even if it blasts up, it might not let you close it. You know what I mean?
And so the macro just closed, and it's going to take the high of the macro.
No, the 2 o'clock candle.
And I wanted to find support there.
Have you ever been in a trade during FOMC?
Yeah, that's my expertise.
Okay. Oh, really? Nice.
That's my expertise. And FOMC, CPI,
love it.
NFP, all of those. I love it.
I hear you, man.
And I trade them because I used to get cooked. So, I got cooked so much with CPI that I know the move the day before.
Okay.
We almost up 100%.
You're one of a kind, man.
Yeah, I trade CPI. CPI is the easiest thing to trade.
Bro, correct me if I'm wrong. You gotta kind of be your position beforehand, right?
Yeah, I get in at 825, 827.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I get in a few minutes before.
Yeah, you have to have
how much
balls of steel, man. The only time I hold FOMC...
How much, because of the week, right? How much stop loss do you usually put?
For FOMC, it doesn't respect stop
20,
loss.
30 points. 20, 30 points. So CPI, it's almost always a buy stop. So it's buy and then it goes high. But the CPI since 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, in June, they have switched it where now the algo will come and take either the low or the high of that CPI candle.
Or both.
Right? But usually it's a trend day north, 99% of the time. And then NFP, it's up and down. pretty
So
much.
that's why I would say if you're going to trade CPI
Mhm.
and you think it's going to go with the trend, the
Mhm.
best thing to do is to catch the low or the high in London session and then
Yes,
take partials in the
that
hold.
is so. Yeah, so
That's the best
the
way to do
London
it.
range is crucial to trading CPI. Like if you
Yeah.
don't understand the London range, so like the London range is everything. Where it's placed, where it is to, compared to like Asia, right? And then how we open at 2 a.m. if we just gap and then keep going, and then you see between 7 and 8 a.m. price is just stuck at the London high, right? It's just
Mm-hmm.
pretty much London high, buy stop, and it's gone.
All right, I'm gonna jump off the computer, but I'll be on the Discord on the phone though. But I'm gonna log out now. I'm not entering any more trades.
Me too.
Did you
Hey,
get
yo,
out at 10:25? I see like a minor rejection, but I wanted this thing to blast from here and
it's
take
gonna
that
it's gonna go
146.
Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is.
Great day, great day.
Care about who next is.
Not the best execution. You know, I could have, even with this trade that I saw, I could have held my, trade a lot longer. I'm already up for the day. So I should have just, held that, but that didn't happen. But in either case, do better next time. But great day, great day. Can't complain. Um, FOMC. We'll just go for the next, wait for the next session, the next day, be satisfied with my wins. Later.